Good day! Kindly follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you! In this video, we will talk about solving systems of linear equation into variables. So last time sa aking previous video tutorial, we indicated or we tackled about the three systems of linear equation into variables. So ngayon, pag-aaralan natin paano ba i-solve ang systems of linear equation into variables. First is by graphing. So we have the two given equations, 2x minus y is equal to 3 and 3x plus y is equal to 7. So for us to find the values of x and y here or the ordered pair, we have to graph the given equations. So for us to graph, let's have the table of values para mahanap natin yung iba-ibang ordered pairs. So ngayon, hanapin muna natin ang table of values for the equation 2x minus y is equal to 3. So, paano pa natin hahanapin ang values of y, coordinates? So, ang gagawin lang natin is to substitute the values of x in the given equation for us to find the value of y. So, dun muna tayo sa x coordinate which is 0. So, if x is equal to 0, then 2x minus y is equal to 3. Let us substitute the value of 0 to the variable x. So this will be 2 times 0 minus y is equal to 3. So let us now simplify. 2 times 0 is 0. Bring down negative y over equals 3. And then let us transpose 0 to the right side of the equation. So this will be negative y equals 3 minus 0. And then the resulting equation will be negative y equals 3. So as you can see, negative yung sign ng y dito. So, kailangan maging positive yung y. So, let us divide the both sides by negative 1. Therefore, the final value of y is negative 3. So, yung negative 3 ay ilalagay natin dito sa first column of y na magiging partner ng 0. So, that will be negative 3 or meron na tayong first ordered pair which is 0, negative 3. Next, if x is equal to 1, then 2x minus y is equal to 3. Let us substitute 1, which is the x coordinate, to the variable x. So that will be 2 times 1 minus y is equal to 3. Let us simplify. 2 times 1 is 2 minus y equals 3. Transpose positive 2 to the right side. So that will be negative y equals 3 minus 2. Simplify the resulting equation. So magiging negative y equals 1 because 3 minus 2 is 1. Again, negative pa rin yung y, so let us divide both sides by negative 1. Therefore, the value of y is negative 1. And ilagay na natin yung negative 1 sa baba ng x-coordinate which is 1. Okay, proceed na tayo sa 2. So, if x is equal to 2, then 2x minus y is equal to 3. Substitute the value of 2 to the variable x. So, magiging 2 times 2 minus y equals 3. So, 2 times 2 is 4, minus y is equal to 3. Transpose positive 4 to the right side. So, magiging negative y equals 3 minus 4. So, the resulting equation will be negative y equals negative 1. Divide both sides again by negative 1 para maging positive yung y. So, magiging y equals positive 1. Because negative 1 times divided by negative 1 is positive 1. And then, isulat na natin ang 1 dito. Ayan. Last is the x-coordinate which is 3. So let us substitute x or 3 to the variable x of the equation. So magiging 2 times 3 minus y equals 3. 2 times 3 is 6 minus y equals 3. So transpose 6 to the left side. So magiging negative y equals 3 minus 6. So negative y equals negative 3. Again, divide the whole equation by negative 1. So the value of y is positive 3. Ayan, kompleto na ang ating table of values for the 2x minus y equals 3. Proceed na tayo sa pangalawang equation. The second equation is for 3x plus y is equal to 7. Again, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. Let us find the y coordinates for the second equation para makumpleto natin yung table of values. So, if x is equal to 0, then 3x plus y is equal to 7. Again, i-substitute natin yung 0 sa variable x. So, that will be 3 times 0 plus y is equal to 7. Simplify, 3 times 0 is 0, plus y equals 7. So, let us transpose 0 to the right side of the equation. So, that will be y, or positive y, equals 7 minus 0. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 7 because 7 minus 0 is 7. At dahil positive na yung value ng y, hindi na natin kailangan pang i-divide ang both sides into negative 1. Next. Ayan, isulat na natin yung y doon sa baba ng 0 para makumpleto yung first ordered pair natin. Proceed tayo sa x coordinate which is 1. So if x is equal to 1, then 3x plus y is equal to 7. 3 times 1 plus y is equal to 7. So 3 times 1 is 3. Plus y equals 7. Transpose positive 3 to the right side. So that will be negative 3. And then 7 minus 3 is 4. And that is the value of y na magiging partner naman ng 1. Next, if x is equal to 2, then 3x plus y is equal to 7. 3, yung x ay papalitan ng 2. So, magiging 3 times 2 plus y equals 7. 3 times 2 is 6 plus y equals 7. Transpose 6 to the right side of the equation. So, magiging y equals 7 minus 6. Therefore, the value of y is positive 1 because 7 minus 6 is 1. At yung 1 na value ng y ay magiging partner naman ng 2 para makompleto yung pangatlong ordered pair. Last, if x is equal to 3, then 3x plus y equals 7. Again, isubstitute natin yung 3 sa variable x, so magiging 3 times 3 plus y equals 7. 3 times 3 is 9 plus y equals 7. Transpose 9 to the right side, so magiging y equals 7 minus 9. And the value of y will be negative 2 because 7 minus 9 is negative 2. At yung negative 2 ang magiging partner ng 3, which is yung x-coordinate, at kumpleto na ang ating table of values para sa 3x plus y equals 7. So ngayon, nakumpleto na natin ang values or table of values ng dalawang equations which are 2x minus y equals 3 at 3x plus y equals 7. Kapag kumpleto na ang ating table of values, pwede na tayong mag-plot ng points dito at malalaman na natin ano yung graph ng dalawang equation. So dito muna tayo sa table of values ng 2x minus y equals 3. So simulan natin sa 0, negative 3, 0 of x-axis, and negative 3 of y-axis. So, dun magpa-plot yung point. And then, next is 1, negative 1, positive 1 of x, and negative 1 of y. So, dun magpa-plot yung point. 2, 1. So, 2 of x and 1 of y. And then, last is 3, 3. So, positive 3 of x-axis and positive 3 also of y. Ayan. Na-plot na natin yung apat na points or ordered pairs ng first equation. Let us now connect the dots. At nag-form na siya ng line. And that graph is for 2x minus y equals 3. Next, proceed na tayo sa pagpa-plot ng points ng pangalawang equation. 0, 7. So, 0 of x and positive 7 of y. Ayan. 1 and 4. So, 1 of x and positive 4 of y. 2, 1. So, positive 2 of x and positive 1 of y. And 3, negative 2. So, positive 3 of x and negative 2 of y. So, let us now connect the dots. At iyan na yung line para sa equation na 3x plus y equals 7. Ayan. Nag-graph na natin ang two given equations. So, nakumpleto na at nakita natin na dito nag-intersect yung dalawang lines. Therefore, the solution set of these given equations is 2, 1. Dahil sa 2, 1 or sa ordered pair na 2, 1, nag-intersect ang dalawang equations. Next is solving systems of linear equation by substitution. So we have the given equations x plus y equals 5 and 3x minus 2y equals 5. We have to find the values of x and y by first transform any equation to slope-intercept form. So dito gamitin natin yung first equation, i-equate natin siya sa slope-intercept form or yung y equals mx plus b. So we will just transpose positive x to the right side of the equation. So the slope-intercept form will be y equals negative x plus 5. Second step is to substitute the resulting equation to the other equation. So, isa-substitute natin yung value ng y which are negative x plus 5 dun sa pangalawang equation. So, i-rewrite natin yung second equation. I-substitute natin sa variable y na ito ang negative x plus 5. Kaya magiging 3x minus 2 times negative x plus 5 equals 5. Third step is to simplify to find the value of x. So, paano ba natin isi-simplify ang resulting equation na ito? So, we will first have to distribute negative 2 to negative x and positive 5. Kaya magiging 3x, bring down lang natin ito. Negative 2 times negative x is positive 2x. Negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. And then bring down equals 5. Next is to combine like terms. So, this will be 3x plus 2x is 5x. And then, tinranspose natin yung negative 10 sa 5 dahil pareho silang constant, kaya naging 5 plus 10. Next is to bring down 5x equals 5 plus 10 is 15. As you can see, meron pa tayong numerical coefficients sa tabi ng variable x. So, kailangan ma-eliminate natin yon or ma-cancel. So, ang gagawin natin is to divide both sides by 5. Therefore, the value of x is 3. Because 5 divided by 5 is x, or 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that is the value of x. Fourth step is to substitute the value of x to any of the equation to find the value of y. So meron na tayong value ng x. Para mahanap natin naman yung value ng y, isa-substitute natin ang value ng x na nakuha natin, which is 3, sa alinman sa dalawang equation. So, gamitin natin ang equation na x plus y equals 5. Again, isubstitute natin yung 3 dun sa variable x, kaya magiging 3 plus y equals 5. Transpose positive 3 to the right side of the equation, kaya magiging y equals 5 minus 3. Therefore, the value of y is positive 2 because 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, kapag ang ginamit naman natin ay ang pangalawang equation, ganun din yung kalalabasan, which is 2. Okay, we already have the values of x and y. Paano natin malalaman kung tama yung ating sagot? That is by means of checking. We will substitute the values of x and y na nakuha natin sa alinman sa equation at kailangan mag-i-equal siya sa 5 since iyon yung nakalagay sa right side ng equations. So, gamitin natin yung 3x minus 2y equals 5. Let us substitute 3 to x and 2 to y. Kaya magiging 3 times 3 minus 2 times 2 equals 5. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2 times 2 is 4 equals 5. And then 9 minus 4 is 5. Therefore, 5 is equal to 5. Nagtulad yung dalawang constant sa left and right side of the equation. Therefore, tama ang value na nakuha natin para sa x at y. So, the solution set is 3, 2. Okay, last, solving system of linear equation by elimination. We have the two given equations 8x plus y equals 45 and 5x minus y equals 20. So first step is to eliminate one variable by adding or subtracting the equations. So kailangan may ma-eliminate tayo na it's either x or y para mahanap natin yung unang variable na ating hahanapin. So let us rewrite the two equations. 8x plus y equals 45 and 5x minus y equals 20. Pagtapatin ang magkakatulad ng variables at ang constants. Okay, note, if the signs of those terms are alike, subtract. If the signs are unlike, add. So, dun muna tayo mag-focus sa y since tulad sila ng numerical coefficient which is 1. Sabi dito, kung tulad daw ang signs ng dalawang magkatulad na variables, isusubtract natin. Kapag naman magkaiba, i-add natin. Pero dito, dahil magkaiba sila ng sign, ang isa ay positive at ang isa ay negative, therefore, we will add. So let us use the symbol of addition. Let us now solve for x. So 8 plus 5 or 8x plus 5x is equal to 13x. And then, since y plus negative y is 0, so na-eliminate na natin yung y. And then 45 plus 20 is 65. And then, as you can see, meron pang numerical coefficient ang x dito. So let us cancel that 13 by dividing both sides by 13. Therefore, the value of x is 5 because 65 divided by 13 is 5. Meron na tayong value ng x. Paano natin hanapin ang value ng y? Solve for y by substituting the value of x to any of the equations. So, yung nakuha nating value ng x ay isa-substitute natin sa alinman sa dalawang equations. So, gamitin natin yung first equation natin na 8x plus y equals 45. So, again, substitute the value of 5 na nakuha natin into the variable x. So, magiging 8 times 5 plus y equals 45. 8 times 5 is 40 plus y equals 45. Transpose 40 to the right side, kaya magiging y equals 45 minus 40. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 5. Again, para malaman nyo kung tama ang sagot na nakuha natin para sa x at y, you will just have to substitute the values of x and y na nakuha nyo sa alinman sa mga equations. Kung ito ang ginamit nyo, kailangan ang lalabas na sagot ay 45. Kapag naman yung pangalawang equation, kailangan ang lalabas na sagot ay 20. Kapag nag-equal sila sa 45 or sa 20, tama ang sagot nyo sa x at y. So the solution set is 5, 5. Let's have another example for solving systems of linear equation by elimination. So we have the equations 3x minus 4y equals 4 and x minus 2y equals 8. Again, the first step is to eliminate one variable by adding or subtracting the equations. Let us rewrite the two given equations. Kung mapapansin nyo, magkaiba ng numerical coefficient ang dalawang variable x, magkaiba din ng numerical coefficient ang variable y. So, hindi tayo madaling makakapag-eliminate ng alinman sa dalawang variables. So, ang gagawin natin, kailangan gawin natin magkatulad ang numerical coefficient, it's either ng x or ng y. Kung gusto nyo magkatulad ang numerical coefficient ng dalawang x, so since may 3x dito, kailangan maging 3x din ito or negative 3x. So, ang pangalawang equation ay imumultiply nyo sa negative 3x or positive 3x. Kapag naman ang i-eliminate nyo ay yung y, kailangan magtulad sila na parehong negative 4 or positive 4 yung isa dito. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is to eliminate the variable y. Note, or para ma-eliminate natin yun, kailangan i-multiply natin ang pangalawang equation na ito na ang kalalabasan dapat ay yung negative 4. So, let us multiply the second equation by positive 2 para ang kalalabasan ng 2 times negative 2y will be negative 4 also. So, let us now multiply 2 to the second equation. So, let us bring down the first equation. So, magiging 2x minus 4y equals 16 because 2 times x is 2x, 2 times negative 2y is negative 4y, and then 2 times 8 is positive 16. Kung mapapansin nyo, magkatulad na sila ng numerical coefficient, so pwede na nating i-eliminate ang variable y. Pero note, if the signs of those terms are alike, subtract. If the signs are unlike, add. So kapag daw magkatulad ang sign ng dalawang numerical coefficient, subtract. Pero kapag magkaiba ng sign, add. Dito, dahil magkatulad na negative 4y, ang gagawin natin is to subtract. And then solve for letter x. Ayan. So 3x minus 2x is x. Negative 4y minus negative 4y is 0 or simply eliminate. And then 4 minus 16 will be negative 12. Walang katabi na numerical coefficient ang x. Therefore, the value of x is negative 12. Third step, solve for y by substituting the value of x to any of the equations. So, hanapin na natin yung value ng y by substituting yung nakuha nating value ng x, which is negative 12. So, gamitin natin yung pangalawang original equation, which is x minus 2y equals 8. Substitute negative 12 to the variable x. So, the resulting equation will be negative 12 minus 2y equals 8. Transpose negative 12 to the right side. So magiging negative 2y equals 8 plus 12. Negative 2y equals 20 because 8 plus 12 is 20. Okay, may numerical coefficient ang y dito which is negative 2. So kailangan makancel natin yan para mahanap natin yung value ng y. So let us divide both sides by negative 2. So negative 2 sa under ng negative 2y at negative 2 sa under ng positive 20. Therefore, the value of y is negative 10 because negative 2y divided by negative 2 is y. 20 divided by negative 2 is negative 10. So, meron na tayong values ng x and y. Therefore, the solution set is negative 12, negative 10. Let us now summarize what we have learned in our lesson today. There are three ways in solving the systems of linear equations in two variables. First is by graphing or completing the table of values for the two equations. Second is by substitution. Again, ang una niyong gagawin sa substitution is i-transform ang alinman sa equation into slope-intercept form and then tsaka nyo isa-substitute. And the last is by elimination. Eliminate it's either x or y para mahanap natin ang dalawang values ng variables. So, thank you for watching. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video tutorial na ito. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Enjoy learning mathematics. God bless us all!